Hi everyone, for the bloom of the day I want to introduce you to a beautiful flowering shrub. This is called the Lemoine Deutzia, and here we have two different varieties. More popular you will find the white one. Let's see if it has a scent. A little bit, some of them are scented, and then this one is a beautiful pink flowering one, and it's called Deutzia Yuki Cherry Blossom. Isn't that lovely? Here in an urban garden behind me is a more mature Lemoine Deutzia. Beautiful white flowers. This is to show you what it looks like when it's grown after probably about 5 years. And behind me is a weeping Nootka-tensis false cypress. And that's a very mature tree, probably about 50 years old, creating this nice archway.